Now watch Basil McRae and Randy McKay as they try to jostle for position. There they go. Good call there, that's for sure. Right off the faceoff. That's really the only sign of any kind of an outbreak at all tonight. McRae goes to left hand. McKay some good right shots in, but they both got a pretty good grip on each other. Really hasn't been much of anything, really at all in this hockey game. They're still going to go at it. They're going to let him lose. McKay really landing some shots on Basil. I don't think Basil's normally a lefty. That Basil's been out of the lineup for a long, long time, and I'll tell you, that takes a lot out of you. It sure does. For as long a fight as we've seen all year, they let them go unusually.